The issue I'm gonna talk about is the relationship between course schedule and students' attentiveness at Carey. I'll go through the problem, research overview, solutions, and conclusions. Firstly, just before I talk about the problems, I'm gonna ask you two questions. These two questions are the most important questions from my survey, and could you guess which the answer is the most popular? Question one: What is the most comfortable course length? More than 80% students choose the option B, which is the 40 to 60 minutes. And the next question: Do you agree the length of course at Carey is the reason of students' low level of concentration? Unfortunately, 44 students choose strongly agree and 44 students choose agree. So we could see the problem from just these two questions. That is, the Carey's long time courses has resulted in students' low level of attentiveness. It is a very serious problem that will affect students' academic performance. As a result, both the faculties and the students need to be aware of. And then, let's talk about the research research. This is the attention curve suggested by Blind in 2000. We could see from this curve that students' level of attentiveness peaks after 10 to 15 minutes, and then it just drops quickly. Only after 40 minutes, the level recovered, but at a very slow speed. And then another person suggests that taking a short break can just restart the attention curve. Now, based on these two findings, we could decide the most efficient course schedule. But before that, we need to consider three premises. The first one is students need at least one break longer than 10 minutes to let them go to the restroom. And then most students prefer 40 to 60 minutes. Thirdly, most students lose attention in the second section of the course. As we know, a long time course can help teachers talking for longer time. However, it will reduce the students' attentiveness. As a result, choosing the most efficient course schedule is always about a trade-off between teaching continuity and students' attentiveness. Then there are four solutions. Solution one: having only one break in the middle of the course. We could see from this picture which shows the level of students' attentiveness by time. And we could see that this schedule greatly reduce the time of students' high level of concentration. And then the solution 2 and solution 3 are quite similar. They both have two breaks. However, solution 3 have more advantages because it not only enhances the student teaching continuity, but also focus on the problem that most students lose attention in the second section. The last solution is suggests having 3 breaks in the course, and this one, as you can see, maintain the longest time of high level of concentration from students. We should know that choosing the most efficient schedule is not a one-size-fits-all problem. Actually, we need to choose different schedules based on different type of courses. For example, for those high interactive or non-intensive courses, business communication is an example of this type of course, by the way. Solution 1 is the best solution because it let the professors talking for more time, and students can just maintain a high level of attentiveness because of these activities in the course. and then the solution 2 and then for the difficult and intensive courses, solution 4 is the best answer because it gives students more time to refresh themselves. For those neutral courses, which are neither too difficult nor too easy, people just need 2 breaks. And just as I said before, the solution 3 is the best option. Now, let's move on to the conclusion. Students need at least a student's concentration span is about 40 minutes, and we need different courses we need different course schedule for different courses. So that's all. Thank you.